Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever opened up a big Google Sheet and found yourself scrolling through a bunch of empty blank rows, you know how distracting and sometimes confusing this can be. Maybe you imported some data that came with a bunch of extra space, or you just want your sheet to look a little cleaner and easier to work with. Today in Tips and Tricks episode 124, I'm going to walk you step by step through a few easy ways to delete those blank rows in Google Sheets, whether you've only got a couple here and there, or you're dealing with literally hundreds at once. By the end, you'll know exactly how to tidy up your spreadsheets and save yourself a ton of manual effort. Let's get started. First, if you're already logged into your Gmail, you're in the perfect spot to open up Google Sheets. Head up to the top right corner of your Gmail page. You should see a little grid icon made up of 9 dots. That's your Google Apps menu. Give it a click and just scroll through the icons until you spot Google Sheets. Click that and you'll be taken straight into Sheets where you can either select an existing spreadsheet or start a brand new one. Now, once your spreadsheet is open, let's tackle those blank rows one by one. The simplest way to delete a blank row is to just click anywhere on that row. It doesn't have to be in a specific cell as long as you're selecting the row itself. Once you've clicked, right-click on the row number on the left-hand side. From the menu that pops up, choose Delete Row. Just like that, it's gone. If you only have a handful of blank rows, this is a quick and easy fix, perfect if you want to clean up your spreadsheet in just a minute or two. But what if your sheet is sprinkled with several blank rows and you want to get rid of all of them at once without scrolling back and forth? Here's a little shortcut that can really help. Hold down the Control key or Command key if you're on a Mac, and while you're holding it, click each blank row you want to remove one by one. This lets you select as many non-adjacent rows as you like. Once you've got all those blank rows highlighted together just right, click any one of the selected row numbers and choose Delete Selected Rows. Boom, those empty spaces are gone in seconds. Now, sometimes we run into situations where the spreadsheet is gigantic, hundreds, maybe thousands of rows, and blank rows seem to be everywhere. If you're dreading the idea of scrolling and clicking for ages, don't worry, there's a much faster way using filters. Start by clicking the letter A at the top of column A. This will select the entire column. Next, look for the filter button in your toolbar. It looks like a little funnel. Click it and Google Sheets will add filtering options to the top of each column. Now click on the little filter icon in column A in the dropdown that appears. You'll see a list of all the unique entries in that column, including near the bottom an option labeled blanks. Uncheck this box and Google Sheets will instantly hide all the blank rows from view. It's a powerful way to focus only on the data you need. And from here, you can then select and delete the now hidden blank rows if you want to truly remove them from your sheet. And that's it, no more unnecessary clutter, and your worksheet is ready for real work. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into any hiccups, let me know in the comments. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more time-saving Google Sheets tips and tricks, and I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.